Brace yourself for ultimate gratification. We're plunging into the realm of the most astonishing and fulfilling machines that transform routine tasks into mechanical marvels. This machine churns out impeccably shaped shovel outlines with pinpoint accuracy. Who'd have imagined these slender metal sheets would morph into tools robust enough to smash through concrete? Now, for the exciting bit, let's dive into the shaping process, where the shovel head is molded into that iconic form we all recognize and adore. Gratifying, isn't it? But it's not just about aesthetics, this step also boosts incredible durability. And finally, the defining moment, the shovel unites with its reliable partner, the handle, which is fastened flawlessly in place, designed to endure anything. Let's be honest, though, I often end up hammering a nail or screw through it myself eventually. Next, we're stepping into the realm of precision with VOF, the experts in crafting knives. It all begins with the knife shape being punched out in one smooth motion. But the true enchantment occurs when it's thrust into a fiery forge, hitting temperatures around 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, it's time for the knife to gain its razor-sharp character, a perfectly jagged edge that slices through anything from bread to bone effortlessly. The handle is securely fastened for a steadfast grip, no wiggles here. Fun fact, VOF employs triple rivets in their handles, a method dating back over a century for supreme sturdiness. Once attached, the handle undergoes a thorough sanding and polishing process to achieve that sleek, ergonomic shine. Let's jump into some serious mechanical delight with the GMI Magnets Nail Aligner. Witness thousands of nails sliding down the conveyor belt. It's like observing a perfectly choreographed metal ballet where every nail aligns with flawless precision. These magnets don't just keep things neat, they're powerful enough to manage hundreds of nails per minute without a hitch. But the real spectacle begins at the end, where the nails tumble into the sorting box. As they approach the final stretch, the nails are guided into place with seamless accuracy, cascading tidily into the box below. Ever wondered how those classic vinyl records are created? At the Palace Group vinyl processing plant, it all starts with raw polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, which is heated, blended with color pigments, typically black, for added resilience, and then cooled into small pellets. These pellets are melted again and shaped into round, flat discs. Here's where the magic unfolds. Those discs are pressed under 100 tons of force between two plates holding the master disc's grooves. This process etches the grooves that will eventually play your favorite songs. The vinyl is then rapidly cooled and trimmed to perfection, ensuring smooth, rounded edges. Quality assurance is rigorous, with every record visually and audibly inspected to meet Palace's lofty standards. Finally, the freshly pressed vinyls are packaged in their iconic sleeves and shipped to music enthusiasts worldwide. If you thought that was satisfying, wait till you see the MBK cage welding machine in action. Sparks fly. This machine takes steel rods and interlaces them with absolute precision, forming reinforced cages used in concrete construction. These steel cages are the foundation of everything from bridges to skyscrapers, and they must be unyieldingly strong. The machine performs the task impeccably, welding each joint with sparks soaring, all while rotating the structure in perfect harmony. Fun fact, this machine can handle rods up to 57 millimeters in diameter, ensuring toughness for even the most demanding projects. Truly captivating. Dreamed of crafting your own lumber in your backyard? With the Wood Miser, that's entirely possible. This portable sawmill is like having your personal lumber factory at home. It takes rough logs and slices them with precision, producing stunning, custom planks ready for any woodworking project. The best part? You can tweak it to your exact specifications, giving you complete control over the size and thickness of your cuts. Some models can handle logs as large as 36 inches in diameter. That's an entire tree trunk. If you're passionate about DIY and woodworking, this one's for you. Now, this one's scorching. Watch as iconic classed constructs showcases the ancient craft of hot riveting a double shear connection. The process begins by heating rivets to a blazing red-hot 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, it's that intense. Once they're sizzling, they're hammered into place using powerful pneumatic tools. This one may not be as showy, but stay with me, it's all about precision. The Wafio's MB90 coiling and bending machine is like a virtuoso of wires. It takes long, straight wires and shapes them into intricate forms with impeccable accuracy. The Wafio's MB90 can coil wire at up to 90 meters per minute. That's nearly the length of a football field in just 60 seconds. Let's explore the captivating world of container making with the Parker blow molding machine. It starts when a tube of molten plastic, called a parison, is placed inside a mold. Then, high-pressure air is blown into the parison, expanding it to fill the mold's shape, much like inflating a balloon. In seconds, the plastic cools and solidifies, creating everything from water bottles to large industrial containers. The Parker blow molding machine can churn out up to 3,000 containers per hour. Let's see how a polymer wheel is crafted, a deeply satisfying process that's both precise and hands-on. It begins with mixing raw polymer materials, which are then melted into a smooth, dough-like consistency. This molten polymer is poured into a mold, and here's where the magic happens. High heat and pressure shape the polymer into a perfect wheel form. Once cooled, the wheel is removed from the mold, but it's not ready yet. It's then trimmed and polished to achieve that perfect round edge essential for a smooth ride. Now, let's clean up, literally, with Aula Buri NV automation. Making sweeping brushes is anything but dull. It starts with bundles of bristles being fed into the machine with mesmerizing precision. These bristles are cut, sorted, and then automatically inserted into the brush head at lightning speed. This machine can handle up to 1,200 tufts per minute, producing dozens of high-quality brooms in just 1 hour. Kids, ever wondered where those soft playground mats you love come from? Let's check it out with Alpha Moss. It starts with tiny rubber granules, often made from recycled tires. How awesome is that? As the tires are broken down, non-rubber components like metal wires and fibers are carefully filtered out. What remains is pure rubber, ready for the next step. Once separated, the rubber is further processed and refined into small pellets. These can be used for various purposes, from playground surfaces to rubberized asphalt, giving new life to waste. These granules are mixed with a special adhesive and poured into molds to form the perfect shape. The mixture is then pressed and heated to ensure the mats are strong and flexible so you can jump, run, and fall safely. After cooling, the mats are removed from the mold and given vibrant, playful colors. We've all seen wooden pallets, and some of us have even tried dismantling them. But have you ever wondered how these sturdy structures are made? Let's explore with the China pallet double nailing line. It starts with wooden planks being perfectly aligned by the machine, and then the real action kicks off. Using high-powered nail guns, the machine drives hundreds of nails into the wood with precision, no hammering needed. This machine can drive up to 1,500 nails per pallet in just a couple of minutes. making it a pallet-making powerhouse. Some Springworks is a celebrated expert in crafting custom hot and cold wound mechanical springs, stampings, wire forms, machining, metal spinning, and waterjet cutting. Their capabilities include coiling up to a 36-inch outside coil diameter and an impressive 70-inch overall free length. Some's expertise in hot winding is unparalleled, offering exceptional flexibility and top-tier quality for springs of any size. They prioritize efficiency, providing expedited turnaround for urgent orders and flexible quantity ordering tailored to your needs. Next is China RCM, a distinguished manufacturer specializing in small and medium concentrated Grouser shield machines, friction stir welding equipment, and offering specialized CNC machining, design, manufacturing, and sales services. Their products are widely used in city pipeline network construction, aviation, aerospace, electronics, high-speed rail, and other industries. Rotary friction welding at China RCM involves spinning two metal parts and pressing them together to weld two axles into a single component. Alaplast GmbH, a distinguished German company, is a leading specialist in crafting top-quality plastic windows and doors. Renowned for innovative technologies, they excel in achieving superior thermal insulation, safety features, and cutting-edge design. Alaplast products are meticulously crafted to enhance comfort, security, and energy efficiency in homes. With a strong global presence, they're a top provider of plastic profile systems. Their process involves heating plastic pellets to a pliable state, then extruding them through a die to form a continuous tube or profile. The SMS Group, a global engineering company, specializes in plant and machinery construction for various industries. They offer facilities for manufacturing, casting, rolling, processing, forging, and extrusion of steel, aluminum, and copper. They also provide plant technology for producing premium metal powders for additive manufacturing and other powder metallurgy technologies. SMS Group's strength lies in handling extremely precise tolerances, with state-of-the-art equipment and expertise producing parts with incredible accuracy, ideal for automotive, aerospace, and other high-precision industries. Their furnaces and heat treatment systems withstand extreme temperatures, making them perfect for processing challenging materials in aerospace and power generation. SMS Group also offers a wide range of forming processes, from forging to drawing, providing complete solutions from material selection to final assembly. MTI, or Manufacturing Technology Incorporated, leads the global industry in joining and friction welding solutions. They create state-of-the-art friction welders, ensuring consistently high-quality welds for components on Earth or in space. MTI offers rotary friction welding, linear friction welding, low-force friction welding, and friction stir welding, contributing to projects like welding fuel tanks for the Space Shuttle and International Space Station. TechCenter, a Russian company, produces braiding machines and software for applications like cord, tape, tube, wire, and braiding with precious metals and composites. Their TexMind Braider multi-filament software generates 3D representations of braided structures, computes properties, simulates the braiding process, optimizes machine settings, and arranges colors. Bailey Industrial, a globally recognized provider of high-quality metal machinery, offers hydraulic tube benders for creating handrails, race car chassis, roll cages, and more. These reduce physical effort, are quicker, more accurate, and less expensive than programmed tubes. The process involves positioning the steel tube and letting the bending happen. Formech, based in the UK, specializes in vacuum forming machines for R&D, production, education, crafts, confectionery, film, and theatre. Their lineup includes compact desktop models, floor-standing units, and large-format models with semi-automatic features. Formech provides budget-friendly, adaptable vacuum forming solutions for diverse projects. There you have it. We've showcased some of the world's top production lines. Which one amazed you the most? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling content. Until next time, stay tuned and keep exploring the world of construction machinery.